Over the past 7 years, Pi Network has charted an ambitious path, aiming to build a decentralized ecosystem accessible to millions worldwide. Despite notable milestones, much of its core infrastructure and key utilities remain in prolonged testing phases. As a result, the community's patience is wearing thin, with many users expressing frustration over repeated delays and a lack of clear timelines. This growing impatience underscores the urgent need for tangible progress and greater transparency from the project's leadership. The journey so far reflects both the promise of innovation and the challenges of delivering on high expectations. Pi Network has introduced a range of significant features and upgrades designed to enhance its ecosystem. These include the V23 protocol upgrade, decentralized applications, the Pi DEX, App Studio, and token creation capabilities. However, despite their potential, all of these advancements currently remain in the testnet phase. This means they are still undergoing testing and are not yet available for full use on the main network. The ongoing development reflects Pi Network's commitment to building a robust platform, but also highlights the challenges of moving from testing to widespread implementation. Ongoing challenges with KYC verification remain a significant barrier for many Pi Network users, as the process has yet to reach full accessibility. Pending validation rewards and the delayed second migration further contribute to user frustration, limiting the ability of participants to fully engage with the platform. These unresolved issues have led to concerns about transparency and execution timelines within the community. As a result, some users have lost patience, emphasizing the need for more decisive action to address these obstacles and foster greater trust in the ecosystem. Despite ongoing upgrades, several unresolved issues continue to challenge the Pi Network community. Many users have expressed frustration over the lack of responsive customer support, leaving concerns and technical problems unaddressed. There is also significant confusion surrounding the Global Consensus Value, or GCV, and its counterpart, anti-GCV, making it difficult for users to understand the true value of their tokens. Additionally, merchants seeking to participate in the ecosystem face uncertainty due to the absence of clear guidelines and information about domain hosting. These challenges highlight the need for greater transparency and more effective communication from the Pi core team. The current sentiment within the Pi Network community is marked by a mix of anticipation and growing impatience. Many users are eager to see the transition from prolonged testing phases to concrete execution of promised features. Transparency and clear communication from the development team are increasingly seen as vital for maintaining trust. Timely delivery of upgrades and addressing user concerns will be essential for restoring confidence and ensuring the network's continued growth. Moving forward, a renewed focus on openness and accountability could help re-energize the community and foster long-term engagement.